Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passengers stopping in to check on this Dogecoin pattern that we've been following. I want to go over a few things with you guys. These are the 12-hour candles that we're going to discuss. And if you're just joining us, welcome in. We cover Dogecoin from time to time, as frequently as we possibly can. So join us here, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel. Thanks to you guys, including our loyal subscribers. Let's not waste time, guys. Let's talk about this Dogecoin pattern. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's January the 22nd, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be in decimals. It's going to be 853,000. It's less than a penny. It's up about 4.9% for the day. Again, guys, we're looking at the 12-hour candles here. Hopefully we're leaving a link so that you guys can check out our previous video. And for those of you just joining us, this is actually called a broadening descending wedge pattern that the Dogecoin is kind of trying to find support within. It looks like we got an interesting reaction at that lower level down here at the lower line down here. Now, the one thing that I wanted to let you guys know is, remember, the price action has not been below this green line. For those of you just joining in, this is just a 50 simple moving average, this green line that you see on the chart here. It has not been below this line ever since, what is the date down here? It's going to be about December the 16th, 2020. So Dogecoin has just slipped below that moving average. And some may say, okay, what does that mean? Is that a bad sign? Well, not necessarily. As long as Dogecoin can get back above that line, everything should be just fine. Is it going to? I think it has a potential. Remember, the overhead resistance line that Dogecoin has been fighting with, or just kind of, having a close proximity to, let's just say that, is right up here near it's just under a penny, okay? I think it does have the potential to reach up to that level. But I mean, again, guys, this isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but just pointing out the technicals and the patterns that we notice in the Dogecoin instrument. And that's what I'm seeing overhead. So let's just say it were to take place today, which I don't think it's going to take place today, guys. And again, whatever I think doesn't really matter what's actually taking place in the markets. Let's see. So it'll be another 12% to the upside if that were to take place today on this 12-hour candle. So you're talking about Dogecoin would be just over like 20% to the upside. Again, I don't think that will happen. Maybe it will. I'm not sure, guys. Let's let the price action play out and determine what's going to happen next. But again, the price did find a really nice reaction at the lower level of this support line so far. I'm not sure why it would be a challenge for Dogecoin to continue up higher here. And again, just at least test this overhead resistance level, guys. I'd say if that's going to happen, let's give it about 48 to 72 hours and to see if that's actually going to play out. So, of course, in closing here, I'll let you know what I think is going to happen to Dogecoin. So let me just put a line. Remember, guys, all I do is I look for support and resistance and patterns, okay? And I'm noticing right here, just overhead was the previous level of support, okay? It's just overhead. These numbers are so, I can't get these numbers right, guys. If it were to go up another 3% to the upside, it will likely see a little bit of resistance. If not, if it breaks through that level, then yeah, Dogecoin will definitely have a really nice fighting chance to come up to this level up here, just under 1 penny, and hopefully find support. And then Dogecoin can at least break through this resistance level and see higher levels above 1 penny. So that's what I wanted to stop in and show you guys. Dogecoin is still within this pattern. We have to be patient and wait for it to actually break out consisting of breaking out to the downside, or of course break out to the upside, okay? So Dogecoin is, yeah, it's just still range bound. We have to figure out what's going to happen. The long-term investors, obviously this video isn't really much useful to you because you guys are just buying the dips and you're holding for as long as you possibly can. Of course, I think everyone's waiting on like $1 or $10 or something like that. I'm not sure, guys. Excuse me, full transparency, I'm not invested in Dogecoin. I don't plan on investing in Dogecoin anytime soon, guys. But I truly hope every single one of you become billionaires off of this currency, at some point in the future there, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are still investing in Dogecoin. Let me know where you think the price is going to go over the next 48 to 72 hours. And of course, again, for those of you who are long-term investing, this isn't for you guys. We're just speculating on patterns and, support and resistance line. That's pretty much it. Thank you for your time, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Before you go, If you're new, we also cover the traditional markets. If you guys are into stocks, we actually cover that 7 days a week. So, of course, subscribe, hit the bell. We actually send you the notifications when we come out with that content every single day, 7 days a week, guys. So we'd love for you to join us here. And that's it, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. And bye for now.